Attention, please.
Because the puppets are here.
From Zenon's farm.
Today we bring you...
Let's sing with Bartolito.
Welcome to the puppets of the farm.
Yes, welcome to the farm. Moo, moo.
No, that's how cows sound, Bartolito. You must sing like a rooster.
Exactly, Bartolito. I have an idea. If I scare you a little, maybe you'll become a good singer.
No, Beto the Wolf. That is very bad.
I just wanted to help.
Well, then let's sing a song to learn all the sounds of the animals here.
Yes.
Yes, great.
And what do you think, boss?
Oh, excellent idea, Pepe. I am not an animal, but I can accompany you with my laugh. Hi!
Yes.
Let's all sing!
Here in the field, there is a farm with many puppets, yes, and they are fun. And then the wolf goes, and then the parrot, the cow goes, moo, and on, ha, then I go last, meow.
Here in the field, there is a farm with many puppets, yes, and they are fun. And then the wolf goes, and then the parrot, the cow goes, moo, and I go, ha, and Bartolito.
Here in the field, there is a farm with many puppets, yes, and they are fun. And then the wolf goes, and then the parrot, and I go moos and none, and Bartolito.
Here in the field, there is a farm with many puppets, yes, and they are fun. And then the wolf goes, and I go, the cow goes, Zenon, and Bartolito.
Here in the field, there is a farm with many puppets, yes, and they are fun. And then the wolf goes, and then the parrot, the cow goes, Zenon, and Bartolito.
Here in the field, there is a farm with many puppets, yes, and they are fun. And then the wolf goes, and then the parrot, the cow goes, Zenon, and Bartolito. The cow goes, Zenon, and Bartolito.
The cow goes,
Zenon, and Bartolito.
Hooray for Bartolito! Congratulations!
Yes, I did it. If it wasn't because I sing very badly, I wouldn't sing very well.
Exactly. I didn't understand what he said.
Me neither.
Me neither.
Until next time, friends.
Goodbye, friends.
Me neither.